How to apply for Chase credit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Chase credit card online. For that, you need to go to the official website of Chase credit card. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type chase.com. Then press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Chase credit card. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top, you will find credit card option. Click on this credit card. Chase offers various types of cards including reward card, cashback cards, travel cards and business card. So you need to click on the type of card you would like to view. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see various credit cards that is available in Chase. Here, browse through the available credit cards to find out the one that suits your need. Once you find the one that you would like to apply for, you need to click on this Apply Now button right here. And now you will need to fill up the application form. Here in this page, you need to go through this information about your credit card, and after that scroll down and then you will see this application form. Here you will need to enter your first name, your middle name if you have one, and your last name. Also, if you have any suffix of yours, you can also enter it here. And in the second section, you need to enter your date of birth in a correct format. Also enter your social security number and other personal information. After that, you need to enter your address. Enter your street address, city, zip code, apartment number if you have one, and also the state. Once you do that, you will need to enter your email address and phone number in this contact info section. Once you have done that, below you will find other financial information that you need to fill up. After that, when you scroll all the way down, there you will find the terms and conditions of Chase credit card. Here you can get the information about the interest rates and charges that will be applicable for you. Go through the terms and conditions and review them. And when you scroll all the way down, here you need to click on this I have read and agree to the above. Once you do so, now you can click on the submit button at the bottom right and your form will be submitted. And once your application is approved, you will be notified via your mobile number or email address. And after that, you will receive your new Chase card in the mail within 7 to 10 days. After that, you can follow the instructions provided there to activate your card. So in this way, you can apply for Chase credit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.